Some protests going on at the moment in Jammu. In fact, let's give you a quick background to this whole incident. There were clashes that were witnessed, in fact, yesterday between Sikh youth and Jammu police personnel in Rani Bagh area near Jammu airport. This was after some objectionable posters were pasted that were later removed by the police. First, there was stone pelting between police and Sikh youths, and then they raised slogans against the police. The Sikh youth was also seen thrashing a policeman, and there are fresh protests today as well in Jammu with regards to the same issue. Right, you can see heavy security presence there in Jammu as protesters trooped onto the streets protesting against some objectionable posters that were put up. Remember, these posters had been immediately withdrawn by the police. However, protests continue over there in Jammu. As you can see, the police also using tear gas shells there being lobbed at the protesters to disperse them. In fact, clashes again have erupted between Sikh protesters and police in Rani Bagh area of Jammu. This is near the Jammu airport, and this is happening for the second day today. The police is lobbing tear gas shells to control the Sikh mob. And since yesterday, there has been a tension because of some objectionable posters and banners that had cropped up. And the Jammu police had withdrawn those posters. In fact, they had removed all those posters, but the Sikh groups are out on the streets today as well, protesting against the police. The policemen were, some of them were injured in the clash yesterday, and the police sub-inspector was also stabbed in the clashes. Ashwini is now joining us with more details. Ashwini, it appears that these protests are assuming a larger proportion there in Jammu. Take us through the latest details.
Yes, the tension is mounting up in the Rani Bagh area of Jammu airport, and the Sikh protestants, they are demanding that the objectionable poster and the banner which was removed by the police yesterday, it should be given back. And even some of the top Sikh leaders, they have reached there to pacify the youth, and more policemen, they have been rushed to the spot, and there is a clash between the Sikh youths and the police, and they are demanding that action should be taken against the police officer who has removed the banner and the poster. Just now we have a report that one sub-inspector J&K police, he is injured in the clash between the protestants and the police, and they are firing tear gas shells on the mob to disperse them. But there are some stone pelting from the protestants also on J&K police, and the senior police officer reached there to control the mob. The traffic between the Araspura and Jammu city has been stopped because of the clash going on the Rani Bagh area. Yeah.
Ashwini, can you help us understand what these posters were about and how did the police come in the picture?
Yeah, yesterday there was some religious function of the Sikhs in Rani Bagh area, and one of the poster of the Bhindranwala was there, and the police immediately removed the poster of the Bhindranwala, and Sikh youth, they protested that he was our religious leader. Why the policeman has removed this poster, and clash took place, and one of the police sub-inspector who was in charge of the Choki of the Rani Bagh was stabbed by the protestant, and two more people were injured yesterday also, and they have been shipped to the hospital. And continuously since yesterday there was a clash going between the police and the protestant in the Rani Bagh area, and even the district magistrate Simrandeep Singh Mahaji, he has also rushed there, and the IG Jammu was having number of meetings with the Sikh leaders to pacify the youth, but they are just stone pelting is going on in the Rani Bagh area, and more policemen have been rushed to control the mob. Yeah.
Also, Ashwini, you were saying that there are some senior Sikh leaders who are out on the streets to try and control this mob of young Sikh protesters there. Are they being able to help the police in bringing them under control and bringing the situation to normal?
Yeah, former member of Legislative Council, Tarlok Singh Bazir, he has rushed there to pacify the Sikh youth, but they have refused not to cooperate with the police, neither with the leaders, and they said that first give us the banner and the poster of the Bhindranwala, then they will pacify the people. But the more people are rushing towards the area, and the police has blocked the movement of the people from Jammu city towards the Rani Bagh area, or from any place from the Alaspur area to assemble there, and that is the reason they have blocked the all incoming and outgoing routes of the area, and the stone pelting and the tear gas shell from the police side is going on, and there are some Sikh protesters. They are also injured in the mob stone pelting, and the police have arrested some people, but they are just searching for these people who have stabbed yesterday police sub-inspector there. Yeah.